Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw a frog puppet, drawing and coloring a frog puppet. Let's start drawing. Start with his eyes. Reveal to you that he is the Frog Prince. Then draw his face. Draw his nose and smiling mouth. Continue drawing his body. Draw the two front legs and then the two back legs. I draw a crown on his head. Now we draw small circles. Pretty simple, right? Next, I used a black marker to make the beautiful picture more visible. Now let's coloring together. I used the colors of the rainbow to paint a frog puppet. Red. Next, I'm going to fill this in with orange. Yellow. Do you like playing with puppet toys? My daughter and I both love playing this game. If you like my videos, please like this video and I will upload many videos with similar content. Bright green. Dark green. dark blue. Purple. Finally, I colored the crown in pink. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.